How to fix Face ID not available on iPhone. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Scroll down and then move into accessibility. In here, move into Face ID and attention. Different options will be visible to you. All you want to do is enable this option. If it is already enabled, you have to turn it off and then turn it on again. Do this process for all the options. Once it has been done, now the next thing you want to do is head over to settings, move into Face ID and passcode. Enter the passcode of a device. At the very top, what you want to do is disable all of these options. Once it has been done, now the next step you want to do is head over to settings once again. Move into general. Scroll all the way down and then tap on transfer and reset iPhone. Click on reset. In here, you have to tap on reset all settings. After that, follow the on-screen process and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Face ID not available on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next